Hi, I'm Dr. Cynthia Seebacher with fusion-chiro.com. Have you ever gone to the chiropractor and gotten an adjustment and wondered what that noise is, that cracking noise? Well, that noise is actually a joint fart. That's right, I said it. It's a joint fart. It's actually little pockets of nitrogen that's being released from the joint. It helps to re-lubricate the joint, and so it kind of makes the synovial fluid really, really frothy for about 5 to 10 minutes. So if we were to try to make another adjustment, it's not going to make the same noise because the gas has already been released. Now, some people really can't stand the cracking noise, especially when it's in your neck. Sometimes it just sounds a little too loud. Other people get addicted to the crack and they think that nothing happened unless they heard that crack. Well, let me tell you, as a chiropractor, we are doctors of the nervous system. We are not doctors who crack. What we do is we actually take pressure off of the nerves and off of the muscles by moving the bone millimeters, tiny, tiny, tiny amount. And if you're worried about having your neck cracked, there are so many different techniques that we can use that don't reproduce that same sound. Sometimes we can use an activator, sometimes we can use the impulse, sometimes we can even just do sustained pressure. So whether you're addicted to the crack or you can't stand the crack, don't be afraid, it's just a little joint fart. I'm Dr. Cynthia Seebacher with fusion-chiro.com.